Hello everyone, I am Safura Vajahid, founder of Storify, and here is our story. Last year, when my son started school, I found parents concerned with their children reading routines. So they had a parent-teacher meeting and I came up with Storify. National NAPLAN scores 2024 reveal that 1 in 3 Australian students fail to meet literacy benchmarks. Many children struggle to find reading enjoyable, leading to missed opportunities for intellectual growth, mental health benefits, and strengthened self-esteem. The Australian Library and Information Association has even warned of a cultural loss of reading among young people, calling for urgent action to address this crisis. But what's the underlying issue? To find this, I did a quick survey, and I found out most parents don't read daily because of their busy schedule. Those who read daily struggle with a variety of books. They need interactive books that reflect their child's experiences and through which they can connect with their children. So here's our solution. We propose Storify, which is a hybrid storytelling platform that offers physical story kits and a digital co-creation interface. Families can co-create stories that reflect children's unique experiences, nurturing connection and creativity. By blending traditional storytelling with interactive activities, Storify transforms reading and writing into an engaging and playful experience. Our target market includes 2.2 million families with children under 14 and over 6,200 primary schools in Australia, offering significant growth potential. Storify will charge a monthly or annual subscription fee for creating digital stories and reading books from our Storify library. Customers will be able to order physical story kits that will be charged per kit separately. Selling storybooks is a highly competitive market. However, our platform has a unique selling proposition. It values co-creation. So instead of selling storybooks, it offers physical story kits and digital story guides to help create your own stories, thus facilitating families and schools to encourage children to become young authors. Last year, my 6-year-old and I co-created storybooks. He took them to schools where his teacher read them to the entire class. This developed his love of reading and storytelling. At the end of the term, he received the Academic Excellence Award in Writing. And here is our team. I, with my wonderful team member Ariselda, aim to improve literacy skill, Sustainable Development Goal 4, and rebuild the culture of reading. One story, one connection, and one family at a time.